If soups and sauces have been dried, frozen, or reduced, we need to bring them back to the right consistency. This is called reconstituting. To demonstrate this, I'll reconstitute a soup. The first step is to start the cold liquid on a low heat and add a small amount of liquid such as water or stock. The second step is to bring to the boil. Once it has achieved the correct consistency, continue stirring to prevent burning. Once it's boiling, allow it to simmer for 4 to 5 minutes to reduce the bacteria. Step 3. Once the liquid has simmered, you can adjust the consistency and seasoning as required. When reconstituting soups, it's best to use a steady, even heat source, such as a flat grill or a target top, so the heat is distributed evenly through the bottom of the pot and there'll be no hot spots. When reconstituting sauces, it's very similar to reconstituting soups, with one exception. We need to be very careful with our seasoning.